Okay, everything is fine, guys. Let me know that.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So, okay, so come, let's see that. Okay, na? Come and let's see that. Okay, how we can see the data. Okay, na? And then I will implement next discussion. We will implement in the application. Okay, guys. Okay, so on the data. Okay, come here. Okay, we are the employee controller. Okay, so what is that? Data and a list. Okay, na? We will make the request on this one only, right? This one only. Okay, yeah. So now let's run the application. Okay, let's run the application. Okay, so yeah, come to browser, right? Come to browser. Okay, so here what is that? MVC slash what is that? What kind of data we taken, right? URL on the in the controller. What is that? Controller, right? Controller data, right? Data. Okay, in the database, see, still data is there because we taken update, right? Update. Okay, so okay, so make the request from the browser. Okay, no problem, no problem. We are getting the error, guys. Okay, na? We are getting the error. See that. What is the error? What is the error? An exception occurred. Processing which one? Which one at the time of processing? Yes, yes, yes. Gender. EMM, right? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. We will see that. We will see that. Okay. We will see that, guys. Come to GSP, please. Where the mod?
EMP gender.
Huh?
EMP gender. You write EMMGEN.
No, I copied from the employee. 1 minute. Same only, right? Same only. 1 minute. Copy this one. Paste it here. This one. Copy this one. Paste it here. Everything is should be same. Okay, na? Copy this one. Paste it. Gender. Copy this one. Paste it. Employee gender. After then, what is that? Employee address. Come to here. Okay. Again, employee country. Copy this one. paste it here. Employee language. Okay, let's run one more time. Okay, na lang are multi data. It will show in multi line. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, yes, yes. You are correct. But something we can get it right. Something we can get it. Okay. Let's run one more time the application. Let's see that one more time. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so do one thing, okay? Now let's do one thing, okay? If the thing is perfect, then means we are doing somewhere mistake, okay? So what we will do now? The language only, right? Let's remove this language. No, we will not read the language. That's it, okay? We will not read the language, okay? Now because child data is coming, right? So just if still we are getting the error, means somewhere we are doing the mistake, okay? No, according to table column, no, we can read the data according to our model data. Okay, there is no problem in that. Yeah, that is the problem, guys. Okay, na? That one only problem. Okay, okay. Let's see that how we can. Okay, so now 1 minute, 1 minute. So in the table, where GSP, right? On the GSP, come here. Table, right? Call span. What is that border, right? Border. We will give the one. Okay, na? Okay. Then refresh it again. Yeah, employee language is still empty, right? So employee, okay, all data is coming from the database, guys. See that, okay, no problem. Employee language is not coming because the child data, okay, na child data. So okay, why employee country is what? Employee country is what? Employee country is what? India, right? India, okay. So our data is coming, okay, our data is coming, guys, okay. This is the table. Okay, okay, no problem. We will analyze it. We will analyze it and we will resolve the problem, guys, okay. 1 minute. Let's see the any article expression language here is there. This one we know that, right? We are iterating like that only. This one we already know that, guys, okay. This one we know that, okay. There is no problem in that. This concept only we are performing, okay. This one only we are performing, right? Yes, it will take so much time, okay, but we have need to know that, okay, guys. 1 minute, okay, na we will try it. Okay, okay, guys, okay, let's move on, okay, na let's move on. Should not be should not waste the time, okay. So okay. Okay, so what we will do now, just okay, come inside the GSP page, okay, na employee language is there, right? Employee language will store in the database, okay, guys, leave it, okay, na in RESTful services, I will see that, okay, na once I have need to, I think we have need to see that the concept, okay, na why it's not working. Okay, so okay, guys, okay, na so what is that till now the things we completed, okay, na so just refresh it because wasting the time is not good, okay, na it will take. Okay, so I think server I stopped it, okay. So okay, Run one more time. Next module, we will implement next module in this same project. Okay. Oh. I will stop the screen sharing, guys. After then I will, okay na, because my computer is not giving the response. Okay, I'm running the application, same application after then. Yeah. Okay. So now, yes. Okay. So okay, the application is running now. Okay. So again, what we will do now, just make the request. Yeah. So here we are getting the list of what is that data from the database, guys, right? So the end user, sometime what is that the end user need to edit the data, right? Sometime what is that our end user need, right, to edit this data. Okay, edit this data. So okay, so what we will do now, guys? Okay, na. Okay, what I'm going to do now, little bit changes I will give. Okay, na. Later we will implement. Okay, na. Remove these things. Okay, na. Remove language is there, right? Language. What we can do now? Shall we remove this language? Little bit modification I'm going to give. Okay, guys. Okay, na. I'm going to give you. Okay, na. In this same project, because this is the project. I don't want to. What is that? Anything like clumsiness will be there in your mind. Okay, na. I don't want these things. So what I'm going to do now? Just employee project is there. Na. Open this one. Okay. From where to where this one? But I have need to remove in the validation also. So okay, so EMP language, na, just from here to here, I'm removing this one. Okay, okay, so I removed. Okay, so after then come to employee class. Okay, na, come to employee class. I'm removing this one also, na. This input also I'm removing this one. Okay, okay, so fine. So again I will generate the setter getter method. Okay, na. Okay, now Alt Shift S plus R. Select all. Generate setter and a getter method. Okay. Okay, so till now the things is completed. Okay, come to GSP page. Okay, GSP page, right? Country, employee, country. Okay, till now the okay, fine, guys. Okay, fine. Okay, so now fine. Okay, now again. In the validation class also we validated that field, right? So remove this one also. Okay, now the things is fresh up now. Okay guys, so okay, so from here onward everything will be smooth. Okay na, I'm too much confident about that. Okay, those things we will implement later. Okay na, till now we have need to complete this project today. Okay na, so because of that, okay, so now right click and run the application, right click and run the application. So now in this time child table will not create. Okay na, and even language also I removed. Okay na, language I removed guys. Okay, so okay, so only one table will create. Okay, now only one table will create. Okay, because confusion will after confusion is there, then there is no use. Okay, there is no use, so I don't want to create any confusion. Yeah, the application is run now. Okay, so copy this one, come to browser. So first we have need, what is that, already the data in the database, already table, this table is not deleted, view. Okay, just one more time. Okay na, drop this table. Okay na, I'm dropping these tables. Okay, drop this table. See boss, doing the project right, these things will happen. Okay na, so we have need to we need patience. Okay, so one more time we have need to run the application. Yeah, come to property file, come to property file. Okay, come in the property file. Okay, my system also giving the hand. Okay, where, yeah, property file, open the property file. Here create, take the create, C create, create, right? Okay, now in this time run the let's we run the application. Okay, in this time we will run the application. In this time we will run the application and we will see that. Okay, we will see that. Yeah, okay, so come to browser, right? Come on the browser, what is that? So right, so first what we will do, we will fill the data, right? We will fulfill the data in the database, because already there is no data, just table is there. See that, refresh this one. Okay, employee table, only one table is there in this time, all field is empty, right? All field is empty. So what we will do now, here, come here. Okay, so here just I'm taking Amit, password. Okay, mail something, after then what is that, India. Okay, okay, yeah, one data is stored here. Okay na, refresh this one. Okay, oh, yeah, one data is came now. Another one is, yeah, I will change it, I will change it. Okay na, so another one more time, right? Padma, Padma. Another one is what, this one, female, address is anything, India now. Oh, okay, register now. Okay, two data is stored, right? Okay, another one is Pushpendra. Another password is something mail, and this one something address. India and register it. Okay, 3 data is there in the database, guys. Okay, 3, see, 3 record is there. Now I'm changing this one as what, create. Okay, now in the property I'm doing this one was update, right? Update. Okay, update. Now fine. Okay, okay, so again what we will do now, I'm sending the request to what is that, data, right? data. Okay, we will see the list of data. Okay, here. How much time it's taking? Oh, again, actually we updated na, so the server is still updating the things. Wait, it will come, it will come, guys. Okay, na, be patient. Yeah, we got it, right? We got it. What is that, list of data from the database, right? But what is that, sometime our end user need, right? Sometime what is that, Amit EMP password, these things we sometime we put wrong, right? So we have need to update it, right? So we have need to update it. So for that also we have need to give to our end user, we have need to that facility also to update our data, right? So update our data. So for here, guys, I'm going to use again what is that, form tag library. Okay, na, form tag library I will use. So what is that, here we will give the one input button, right? Here we will give the edit button. Here we will give the edit button. Whenever end user will click on that, right? Click on that, this edit button, right? So one form, one what is that, one form will open, right? One form will open here. Okay, one form will open. So based on that, here what is that, here employee id, employee number, right? Employee number and employee gender, and what is that, all field we will give. After then one submit button we will give, right? After submitting that, what is that, here again same page will be open, again same page will be open with what is that, updated value, with the updated value, right? Updated value. Okay na. So for that, this operation we will perform it. Okay na. So for that, what we will do now, so for that, let's do perform this operation, right? And we will increase here, we will increase one, what is that, we will increase one here, what is that, one box, and here we will write action, right? Here we will write the action and we will give one button here. Okay na, one button. Okay, so shall we start this implementation, guys? Shall we start this implementation? Please use the chat box, because only this oh yeah. Okay, so okay, so now still see, this is the project, guys. Okay na. In the, whenever you people will attend the interview, right? Whenever you people, what challenges you are facing, see, everywhere we are facing the challenges. This is the challenge only, right? We are facing the challenge, we are unable to read the list of what is that language. So because of that, we remove that field. Okay na, we will see that later. Okay na, we will implement it. Okay na, we will implement it. But here already we expended near about 2 to 6 PM is going on, right? 6. So what is that, 2 3 4 5 5 6 5 hour is completed now still. Okay na. So okay na, because of that I don't want to waste your time. Okay na. So okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so what is that, here we will give the one button. So for that, come here on a, come on the GSP page. Okay, come in the GSP page. Okay, here what is that, here action, let's increase one action, th, what is that, action, action, give the action. Okay, give the action, okay na. So okay, fine. So action. Okay, guys. So now, okay, so next what is that, give here. Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Now what is that, th, right? th, right? Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, so th, here what we will do now, here what we will do now, okay, we will give. Okay now, we will give, what we will give now, one button, right? One button we will give here, one button. Okay na. First we will give the button only. First let's uh, okay, so first let's write the DAO layer, right? DAO layer, then we can write. Then if that time if I implement, then you people will get catch easily, right? Then you people will get what is that clear picture, okay na? So come to DAO layer, right? Come to DAO service, okay? Come to DAO service, where service or DAO interface. Let's design, okay na? Let's directly what we will do now, write the method, okay? So, so what is that? What method will be there? What method will be there, guys? One minute. Someone is came on my room, friend. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, na? 1 minute. Give me. I will come back now. Yes, yes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, na? So, but here, what is that first operation? First operation, what is that? Come on the GSP page, right? Come first. Okay, no. First, we have need to understand these things as a diagrammatically, friend. Okay, na? Diagrammatic. Okay, let's see that. Okay, na? So here, what we will do now? Here, what is the our operation, guys? Okay, na? Here, if we want to, what is that? Think about that. This is the one field is there. We want to update this one. Okay, na? We want to update this one. So what is that? What we will do now? First we will give one link to end user, right? To end user we will give one link, okay na? Here we will give one link, okay na? Whenever end user will click on the link, right? ID will go, this id will go to our controller class, okay na? This id will go to our controller class, okay na? Controller class, okay? After then what will happen? After our controller, based on the id, our controller will contact with service class. After this service to DAO, after this service to, it will hit the database, and in the database only one record, right? Only one record will select. Our database will select only one record, right? After selecting that one record, it will return that object. Only one object will return to DAO layer, right? The that object data will return to what is that DAO layer, and DAO layer. After then what we will do now? We will take to service and controller, right? And after then that object we will convert in one form, right? That object we will convert in the editable form, right? Editable form. And here actuality I'm going to give you where we will use in the real time what? In the real time what? Form data, right? Form data. Okay, so fine, guys. So here, so based on that, after then what is that? Whenever we will after editing the data, right? Whenever we will click on the submit button, right? Submit button, so same data will go again service class, okay na? After in service class to whom? After in service class to whom? Controller to service class to database, right? Service class to database, okay na? After updating that things, again what will happen now? What we will do now? Again we will return back the list of data, okay na? List of data to the same page, okay na? This is the our operation, okay na? This is the our operation, okay na? So based on that, what we will do now? Let's first write one method, right? Which method will select only one record from that data, right? Only one record from the database. So for that, let's decide the method, right? Let's decide the method. What is the method? What is the method? So we know that in the Hibernate, right? Get method is there, right? Get method is there. This method is returning only one record, single row operation. If we want to perform, what is that? Single row operation, and it will return the object, right? Its return type is what is that? Object, okay na? So based on this one, what we will do now, we will return back, and it will its argument is what is that integer id. It will take what is that id, id, right? Id. So this is the based on that what we will do now. Let's decide what is that method. Public what is that employee what is that public. Okay, so public is there, right? Public what is that get one record, right? Get one record. Okay, fine. Here what we will do now, integer id. We will pass the integer id, right? This is our what is that, our database. What is the dao method? Okay na, based on this one we will perform the operation, guys. Okay na, based on this one only what we will do now, we will perform the operation. Okay na, so shall we perform the operation now? Okay, so let's perform the same operation. Okay na, come to here. Okay na, come in the service class. Okay na, so in the service class what is that, public what is that, employee, right? Employee return type is what, employee. Get one record, right? Get one record. It will take what is that, integer. We will send the id from the table, right? Integer, right? Integer what is that, id. Okay, integer id. Okay, now fine, integer id. Okay, so after then what we will do now, we will go it's the implementation class. We will go it's the implementation class. Okay na, so come here. Okay, so what we will do now, add shift s plus v. We will override that method. Okay na, inside that. Okay, let's write the logic. Okay, let's write the logic. What is the logic? ht dot what is that, get, right? Get. Here what is that, employee employee dot class. We will load that class. After then what we will do now, we will pass the id. Okay na, after then this method will return what is that, same employee object. Only one emp, right? Emp, this one will return what is that, only one object. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so emp, right? Emp, fine guys. So we completed the logic in the dao layer, right? In the dao layer we completed the logic. Okay, so come to service class. Okay, come to service class. Okay, where the service class now, where the service class now. Okay, so here again we will write the public. What is that, public what is that, employee, right? Employee get one, right? Get one emp object, right? Emp object. Okay, so this one what will, it will take integer, only one argument, right? Id. It's a need what, to fetch only one data from the database. We have need to id, right? Id. Okay, so after then what is that, we will go its implementation class. Okay, we will go in it's a implementation, alt shift s plus v, right? Alt shift s plus v. Fine. Okay, so we are performing which kind of operation, only one record we are selecting. For that what annotation we will use, at the rate transaction, right? At the rate transaction. Inside that what we will do now, read only, right? Read only true. We will make it this argument as what, true. Okay, so okay, get one employee object. Yeah, so okay, we can take in the different class, we can take different name also. It's not meaning that we can take the same only, right? So okay, so here what we will do now, dao dot what is that, get what is that, all employee and one record, right? One record. Id we will pass inside that. What is that, we will pass id. Okay na, this one will return what, employee. This one will return what is that, employee, right? Emp. Now fine friend, so okay, this the object will return emp, guys. Okay, the till now the things is completed, right? Till now the things is completed. Okay, so okay, come to service class. Okay, come to controller, right? Let's write the logic. Okay na, let's write the logics. Okay, so from here onward. Okay, concentrate carefully, right? Concentrate carefully. Okay, so what is that, come here. Okay na, we will write one method, public string, right? String get one object. Just I'm writing obj, just obj, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so fine guys. So okay, so just get, right? What we are doing now,